Imagine a normal day. You're walking down the street, drinking your coffee, scrolling through your phone, and then, in a single instant, the Earth stops rotating on its axis. The planet has come to a halt. What would happen in those first 10 seconds? At first, it would seem like nothing. The sun would be frozen in the sky, and no one would have had time to comprehend the catastrophe. But a fraction of a second later, the most terrifying part begins. The Earth rotates at a speed of over 1,600 kilometers per hour, about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. This means that all of us, people, cars, buildings, even the oceans, are moving along with the planet at this incredible speed. If the rotation were to stop instantly, everything not deeply anchored to the Earth's crust would continue to fly forward due to inertia. In the first second, the streets would turn into a scene of utter devastation. Cars, airplanes, trains, all of them would be launched from their paths like toys swept off a table. People would feel an impact comparable to braking against a concrete wall at the speed of a jet aircraft. By the second, panic would erupt. Buildings would begin to crumble as their upper floors, too, carry the momentum of the spin. Glass, furniture, structural elements, everything would be torn forward. Even the air would continue to race at that same 1,600 kilometers per hour. A gigantic hurricane would form, leveling cities to the ground. The third, fourth, and fifth seconds, the oceans would surge over their shores. The water attached to nothing would continue its motion. Waves hundreds of meters high would crash onto the coastlines. This wouldn't be a tsunami in the conventional sense, but a global flood. Billions of tons of water would be displaced, rushing across the land. The sixth second, the Earth's crust would shudder. The planet's core is still rotating, while the surface is not. This would generate colossal tectonic forces. Earthquakes would begin, dwarfing anything we have ever witnessed. During the seventh and eighth seconds, true chaos would reign. The atmosphere, oceans, buildings, people, everything would be moving forward while the planet itself is frozen. Winds tens of times stronger than any known hurricane would scour entire continents. The ninth second, smoke, dust, and debris would rise into the sky. The planet would be enveloped in a dark veil. The sun would disappear behind clouds of destruction. And then the 10th second. Humanity, as we knew it, would cease to exist. No civilization could possibly survive such a cataclysm. But let's pause for a moment. This is all a thought experiment. In reality, the Earth cannot stop so abruptly. The laws of physics do not permit the instantaneous breaking of a planet. Even if some cosmic force began to slow the Earth, the process would take thousands of years, and we might not even feel it over the course of several generations. Nevertheless, such thought experiments are important. They show us just how fragile our world is and how everything around us depends on the stability of cosmic processes. We live on a planet that rotates and moves through space, and this very dynamic is our protection, our balance. So the next time you go out at night and look up at the starry sky, remember, right now, in this moment, you are hurtling along with the planet at over 1,000 kilometers per hour. And it is precisely because of this motion that we exist. Dear viewers, thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this interesting and learned something new. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our new episodes. Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Your feedback is important to us.